Alrighty, so we are going to turn the bike in today, and we're gonna take a ride down Beach Road. See if we can not wreck in all the traffic. Should be an adventure. And we are going over to Pratumnak tonight. We're going to dinner and we're going to turn the bike in. So Pratumnak is an area right between Pattaya and Jomtien. It's nice. It's up on a hill and it's a very nice area. It's straight in front of us right now. So we're going down Beach Road to get there. This is famous Pattaya Beach Road. Lots of bars, lots of restaurants. Pattaya Beach is over to our right, and Walking Street is straight up in front of us, and we should be able to drive down that still tonight to get up to Pratumnak. So you just gotta kind of keep your head on a swivel when you drive through here, because you never know where people are going to be walking or stepping out from. No. These are bot buses, these little pickup trucks with people in them. They just do a circle. They go down Beach Road and then up the second road, and they just do a circle all day long. And you pay 10 baht per person for a ride. And there's a buzzer inside the bot bus that you ring to get off when you want off. They're pretty convenient. All these people walking out here are coming from Bali High Pier, which is the spot to go out to an island that's just about, I don't know, a mile off the coast called Koh Larn. So they have a lot of excursions that go out there every day, just to go out and enjoy island life for the afternoon or spend the night. There's hotels out there. I don't make eye contact with the police. I just look away. Try to ignore them. Oh, I want to go that way. I want to go that way. If I can turn around up here, yes I can. Oh, which one is it, babe? Wow. I don't think the camera's doing this any justice, but we're just looking at Pattaya from the area where all the boats are. There's my co-pilot. And we're going out for dinner tonight down to a place on the beach. I mean, it's our last night. And we got to return the motorbike. All right. Ready? It's not that way. We gotta go up here to the, oh God. A little busy. Follow that guy. I think so. Yeah, I see it, yeah. Perfect. Oh, we made it. There's some Muay Thai going on.
Thank you. Good job.
Hey, how you doing? Oh, here's the key. Oh, our paperwork's down in there too. Oh, she's full. You said bring it back full or don't come back at all.
Thank you.
What's that?
I will send you an email.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Kap kung kap. Do you want your paper clip back? Next stop, we're going down to the Birds and Bees, the restaurant. Think we could get a moto taxi, babe? Oh, is it?
Yes.
Wait a minute. Ah, okay. I won't be able to see nothing anyway. All right, this is one way to do it. Lift your feet up, babe. Okay. So this is the other way to get around. It's by moto taxi, and it's usually the cheapest, quickest, especially in traffic. Works out really well. So, and it's relatively easy to find somebody because they're on every corner basically. Probably not the safest, but quickest. We've arrived. Boom! And that's it. That's quick. Nice to have a means of transportation after you drop off your bike. I think that was it back there. This is. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Very good. Thank you. This is it. We gotta go find Mom. This place is really neat. It's right on the coast. They got it misted down here. It's like a rainforest in here. It's beautiful. And it's, they're about preservation. They grow all their own vegetables, all their own produce for the restaurant. Doesn't Idre look nice tonight?
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh. That's it.